Hi guys, recipe ko today is labadomi. Ito na yung water. Yan, continuous kasi yan, kaya kailangan yan, kahit nakaganyan lang yan, open yan, oh. Yan, kailangan mahigpit. Yan, na mahigpit yan. Then, bubuksan natin tong gripo. Yan, open na yung gripo. And then, kailangan natin tong ibaba. Kasi pag hindi yan ibababa, mag-e-error yan. And then, i-play natin. Play. Here is, type natin ng water. 1, 2, 3. 3. Ayun, 3. And then, play. O, ayan na, o.